Alright guys, this is my bike check of a Redline130. I don't think you could buy these bikes anymore because I can't find them on anything. But this is my bike check of my Redline. Here we go, custom. Okay, I got, these are Odyssey handlebars. And I don't know if you can see, but fit bicycle grips. I don't got bar runs. I got Odyssey BMX cap right here, hubcap, and Eastern headset. If you see, nice. And got my Odyssey tire, and I got a generator wheel, see? And I got Odyssey forks, pretty nice, ride good on me. And I got, here we go, Odyssey pedals, Odyssey cranks. Well, actually these are Redline, my bad. Yeah, I said that already, Odyssey pedals. And I think this is Mission or something, seat, a Mission seat. Like, this bike is custom, and I got that crank, Odyssey crank, 25 tooth, and I got Odyssey brake cables, see, and Michigan, I'm a mannequin, I'm an Odyssey back rim, pretty nice, and that's about it, and I'm going to show you something. Alright guys, that's it. That's my Redline custom bike. Alright, thank you.